Hey everyone, welcome to my 2017 Bracelet Collection video. 2017 has been an incredible but busy year for me. I have learned so much, and I hope you did too. While I don't have that many bracelets to show you guys today, I received several requests to show some of my supplies, so this video will be showcasing a mix of both. While I enjoy making embroidery floss bracelets, I haven't been tying as many of these lately. As you can see, I do not allocate much time to keeping my string organized, so I maintain a state of organized chaos. I have been really enjoying making wax polyester cord bracelets and anklets, as they are more suitable for my active lifestyle. I love to add charms to these bracelets and anklets, and have been trying to stay a bit more organized by storing finished jewelry in labeled Ziploc bags. I've been working with my mom to wind spools of some of my favorite colors of wax polyester cord, and they will soon be available for purchase in my Etsy store. I haven't made too many new hemp bracelets this year. I made some new square knot bracelets with wood and agate beads, which I do like a lot. My embroidery floss bracelet collection has become slightly more organized with my new labeled Ziploc organization attempt. My emphasis has shifted away from this material for now, but I do intend to make lots of embroidery floss bracelets in the future. In these artist paintbrush boxes, I store some miscellaneous beads, string, and half-finished projects. I still really recommend these paintbrush boxes to anyone looking for easy bracelet and general supply storage. In this container, I keep some of my pearly shell beads, some gemstone beads, chain, and jump rings. I keep all my wood beads together in this small container, and commonly use these with hemp bracelets. I keep some more glass and gemstone beads in this container, along with various jewelry findings such as crimps, jump rings, and clasps to make cord necklaces. I tend to keep all my favorite charms in this next container, since I really like the multiple latches on the sides of this. I purchased a few more dollar store cases to house my excessive charm and bead collection. I'm hoping in 2018 I will learn more about metal stamping so I can start to design my own personalized charms for friends and family members. Thank you all for your endless support in my YouTube adventure. I wish you all a very happy and healthy new year. I hope 2018 will be full of creative endeavors for us all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in 2018. Bye!